ya hakuna mtu hata mmoja, ama imekuwa disbanded. There is nothing going on in that kama msimu weza pia imelemea watu. Hired goods.
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody who has joined. I can see 2 people. Welcome to the channel today. Okay, comic, I can see you have a question. Teacher, please, may you set of waves and sound. Okay, that's fine. I have the notes with me. What I will want you to do, maybe I'm going to put my email address there. Just email me so that I can get your address and share them. So actually in the description of the channel, there is an email address, my personal email address. Just send your address over there, then I share the notes, no problem. Feel free to ask any question. You can send the questions on the right of your screen. We are a bit late because this live was supposed to be at about noon, but I can see it's an hour late because I was facing some challenges here and there, but don't worry. Secondly, I was not able to communicate in time through the form master, but that cannot prevent us from proceeding. So I think we can go on even if it's 2 people. The others will be able to watch it later maybe. But this session was meant for just open discussion on the subject methodology in physics. And this entails how you're supposed to answer questions, how you're supposed to treat the diagrammatic questions, how you're supposed to approach, maybe, can we say, calculation questions. I will start with what we call comparative language in physics. What is comparative language in physics? So comparative language comes in where you are given 2 items to give a judgment, maybe an observation. Then after the observation, you explain why you have chosen maybe one side of the experiment. For example, we have maybe two surfaces. One is black, another one is shiny. And you are told these two surfaces are exposed to the source of heat. Let's say they are equidistant to a certain source of heat. And then you're asked, explain the observation after some time. Let's say after maybe 10 minutes. So obviously you will say the black surface will have a higher temperature. That is correct. That is a correct judgment. Why do we say higher and we don't say high? It's because we are comparing two items, a black surface and a shiny one. So we use comparative language. So when I say comparative language, I mean you use words like higher, greater, faster. Those are the words that we use. Okay, the maybe the temperature increases, temperature decreases. Maybe this a certain solid melts faster. Those are the comparative words that the examiner expects you to use. And this is mostly applicable in paper 1, where we have thermal physics, we have mechanics, a lot of mechanics, and even some parts of thermal physics which are not described in the branches of physics. So when we talk about comparative language, you may have a point to put across. For example, you have the content, yes, you are able to make